The following video is for educational purposes only.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another installment of Variety Inc. Today I am going to be showing you how to download an incredible screen recorder and video streamer called OBS Studio. So you're going to want to go to your browser and you're going to want to go to the Open Broadcaster software and you're going to want to select your version of operating system, and since I have Windows I will click it and download the installer, which I already have. So you're going to want to open up the installer, which is done downloading. Press yes, and you're going to complete the installation wizard. But I already have it done and I have it running. And once you complete it, it will pop up with your OBS Studio. Of course, this is a shortcut, and you go into it, and then to start recording, you will create a scene by going and adding plus, name it to whatever you want. If you want to add screen recording, you will put your display capture, and if you want to have a mic, you will put your audio input capture, and you can adjust all of these settings accordingly, and you press start and stop to do that. So thank you for watching, I appreciate it. If this video is helpful, make sure to leave a like, and we'll see you in the next video.